Okay, so this video is for traders that need to set risk management up in Rithmic Trader. So what we're going to do is we're going to set our own auto liquidate threshold. So it will help you stop failing your account, stop blowing up evaluations, and especially stop you from blowing up your funded live accounts. So what you're first going to do is click over here on Trader Dashboard, and then once you're in there, this is the screen you're going to see, and you select the account that you want to set this on, click it, and then right click, and then you're going to click on view risk parameters, the first option at the top here, and then it's going to tell you your setting times and auto liquidating your account, which that's what we want to do. So let's go and do that. Alright, so then you have three different options up here at the top. We're going to push risk parameters set by the trader. This is blank auto liquidate. We're going to enable that. See, I already have mine set to 800. So then that one's in. And then now we're going to go to this one. We're going to go to loss limit. So there's a lot of different things you can set it on. You can set it on minimum account balance, percentage of cash on hand, trailing minimum account balance. Alright, so we're going to set it on loss limit. And then I think for the 50K account, 800 is probably too high, but for me it works. I found through my years of trading these evaluations and funded accounts that I can lose up to $800 and the next day come back from it pretty easily and then be fine after that. Any more than 800 I've found the account's unlikely to come back from. Alright, and the next option here is auto liquidate max minimum balance. So I don't put that one on. Ignore open P&L and trading. I don't have that on because I don't want me to be in a losing trade. Like let's say it blows through my stop. I don't want it to ignore that. So we're just going to leave it blank. And then just another thing you guys should do, auto liquidate at. And I have mine set to 12:58 because I live in the West Coast. So that's 2 minutes before the close of the market. And then liquidate only on auto liquidate. Let's look and see what these options are. Yeah, we're gonna push enable so that it says liquidate only on auto liquidate. So I think that's meaning only liquidate when this is triggered. Okay, so now this is gonna protect you. It's gonna protect you from yourself. It's gonna make you stop. So it's gonna give you a chance to calm down at least a few minutes until you can come back in here and change it, of course, and continue trading. I don't recommend that, but you can. But it will give you a couple of minutes to really calm down, breathe for a second, because I found that when I start blowing up these accounts, the tilt clicks in and I lose emotional control and I start getting mad and I'm just trading blindly. But this, it will auto liquidate you, which is gonna piss you off. Trust me, it's gonna make you upset. But then by the time you log into here and or go through all these changes, you kind of calm down and realize that you should probably stop trading for the day. And then so now that we have this all done, we're gonna push OK. If you're interested in funding discounts, you can head over to my website. It's verifiedfundingcompanies.com. And every day I update this on the newest and latest discounts that are going on in the funding space, so futures funding. You go ahead and click on verified trader funding discounts and it'll take you to this page. And then now we can look at the current discounts that are going on. So Blue Knox is the only one that has a good discount at the time. It's actually an incredible discount. You get 89% off the 25K, 100K, and 250K. And this amazing Blue Knox 89% off option 1 accounts, it does end tomorrow at midnight. So there's not going to be any massive discounts coming up. There's no holidays really coming up. There's Valentine's Day, but I don't imagine them going very hard for that. So if you want to get funded, I recommend you jump on it because the best way to get funding is to buy multiple accounts. It takes the stress off, especially when you're only paying $19 for a 50K account. And then you have multiple accounts to trade. You don't have to be nervous while you're trading them. You can just trade them and pass them and stack them up. But it's only option one, and they also have 40% off option 1 and 2, all account sizes. So for the 50K account, you're going to use the code KING50K, KING100K, KING250K. And then Apex only has a 50% off. And then UProfit and TickTick Trader, they don't really have anything going on right now. So I'm going to leave the link in the description to my website and to Blue Knox and to Apex. Then you guys at least check them out. You know, if you're not interested in funding this time, it definitely helps to just check them out, study up on them, and I hope this video helped you guys control yourselves, and it saved me many accounts.